Hey guys, welcome back to Doug's Basement Workshop. Today we're talking about the farmers market stuff still. So this is part of the series we're doing about the farmers market, how I sell, what I sell, and why I'm selling. The last couple weeks have been raining, so I haven't been doing videos because the turnout has not been as good as it has been. Surprisingly, I'm still doing really well at the farmers market even on rainy days. It's not raining the whole day, it's raining for an hour or two during the market. Usually beginning or the end of the market, so people are still coming and showing up. It's still being stupid stuff that's selling really well. I wanted to add something new each week. The new thing that I've added has been something that we all have made and seen with the CNC machine. Again, I'm still saying the CNC machine for some of the stuff at the farmers market is awesome. I'm doing the phone amplifiers. We've all seen these things, the carved out phone amplifier. This is a laminated pieces of cherry. It's all solid cherry, laminated together, so I guess not solid cherry. Carved out with the CNC machine. I made them for sizes. The slots are big enough for the iPhone 6 with an OtterBox, which makes almost every phone fit into it. And where I live, a lot of people are farmers and work in factories, and a lot of people carry OtterBoxes or life cases or something similar to that. So it is very popular to have that kind of phone or that kind of case on your phone. So that's what I designed for. If you're someplace where the OtterBox is not a big deal, design for that size. But that's the biggest case I have found is the OtterBox or the life-proof cases. So make a couple for that size, but go for whatever's popular in your area. If you're not in an area where people are dropping their phones like crazy or exposing them to horrible conditions, you may find that your general sales are for people with a thinner phone case and thinner phones. Make what sells. The round ones are selling so fast to the men. The women are picking up the heart-shaped ones, and I'm finding a lot of guys are picking up the heart-shaped ones for their female friends. How do I pitch this? I do not pitch this as making your phone louder to play music. So many places have Bluetooth speakers and they're so cheap now. I tell people, and this is the truth, I have one of these in my shop that I put my phone in. So I don't lose my phone as quickly in the shop. You put it down, you forget where you put it down. I always put it in the same place. That speaker makes it ring louder, so I can hear it when it goes off when I'm running tools and equipment most of the time. It's very helpful. It's great on your desk. If you're at work and you're in a work setting where you're allowed to have your phone and you're allowed to make it louder, it's great. A lot of guys are picking them up with that sales pitch that when they're in the garage or they're outside doing stuff, they have a safe place to put their phone down where it makes it a little bit louder because they can't always hear it. I have sold so many of these. I made 5 the first week and I sold 4 of them. I made more and I keep selling them. I can't believe it. This is a simple project. I blew up the blank, throw it in the CNC machine, clean the fur out of them. They sell so quickly. This will be in the money making CNC machine projects series that I'm going to put up on a playlist here at the end of summer when I have time to do some decent video work. Right now, with working a second job and the farmers market, I am barely keeping up with production through the farmers market with the woodworking business. I am barely getting these videos out if you haven't noticed. The other thing I did for the farmers market is I made a sandwich board to hang stuff on for my hanging products. Because I couldn't find a good way to build a wall with my vehicle that I could take down there. I'm going to throw a quick picture up of it, and in another video, because the sandwich board isn't here, I'll try and shoot a short video of the sandwich board. At the farmers market, they play really loud music and it's right next to my booth. It makes selling really hard because I have to yell at everybody while I'm selling. I'm going to ask next year for a better spot, further from the music. But even on rainy days, we're having really good sales. And guys, it's the little things that people are interested in. You know, we don't think that this is a big deal, especially now with all the Bluetooth speakers and stuff. I'm still selling a ton of them. The cutting boards have gone super well. I gotta stop saying super all the time. cutting boards have been blowing up in my booth. I've done the Apple and some different shaped cutting boards. I'll try and drop some pictures in here. A lot of stuff has been going strange, going well. I've upgraded my CNC machine, so if you haven't seen those upgrade videos on my CNC, I put an aluminum bed in. I upgraded my router, and I just upgraded the belts on my CNC machine and replaced the V wheels. Go check out those videos because the upgrades that I did have changed my world, and my CNC machine is running is a completely different machine compared to what I had a month ago. I'm doing things that I would never have done a month ago with my CNC machine because it didn't run the way it is now. So I'm able to do projects that I wouldn't have even tried. The accuracy has changed so much. So go check those videos out. If there's anything you're seeing me making that you want to see in the CNC money making projects videos that are going to come out at the end of summer, drop comments down below. Guys, subscribe, help me out here. I'd like to get monetized. I'd like to have more subscribers. I'd like to see you guys commenting, asking questions. Help me out here. Let me know you're out there. Even if it's a thumbs up, thumbs down, something. Subscribe, some comments. Tell me my lighting is horrible, my audio is bad. Tell me I should paint the barn, clean the cobwebs out of the ceiling. Give me some feedback here, guys. All right, I'll talk to you guys later, and we will discuss napkin ring holders later as well. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day. Like, subscribe.